What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Notorious V5 out and Team Corally Jambo 6S. Do a little comparison today between the two stunt trucks. I think the Jambo looks like it's a little wider because of the tires are wider. I'm gonna stack them together. As you see, the Jambo's tires make it a little bit wider, but same size chassis. Jambo tires is a little wider, which makes it more stable, better handling with that. Ride height of both vehicles, about the same. The skid plate in Notorious is in the front, so makes it look like it's a little different, but skid plate's in the front and in the Notorious. With the Notorious, we working with the VLX 150 amp ESC with the 2050 kV motor. I'm running a Team Corally Servo in there, which is pretty good to me. The servos Team Corally whole electronic system is pretty good to me. And upgrades on here is 0. As for the Jambo, it's running Kuron 2050 kV motor and the TOROX 150 amp ESC. Running the same servo as the Notorious has. We're going to start off with the Jambo. We got white lights in the front and red in the back. Oh, you got that whining sound. Now what I'm running these on 6S today, though. We're not playing. We're going to get into it. I usually like to run them on 4S, but we're gonna do a 6S run. Wish I could have did a speed run, but I forgot my GNS, my fly style home. What is this? Almost like ice. Last run with this, I had a pivot bar problem. I want to see how she's gonna do today. Not even full throttle yet. Yo, this thing is a rocket. I wish I wouldn't have left my my nav. Can't even full throttle it. She's okay. Excuse me. I thought I was going to come back to a messed up car. Yo. All right, let's give it another shot. Try and catch it right in this middle here. Oh, that wasn't bad. Oh, let me fix this light before I knock it off. So far, she's handling it. That jump was pretty good. Whoa. Of course we lost the dog bone, right? This car, yo, what did I do here? We broke the, oh no, we lost the dog bone. I don't want to lose the dog bone. You know, it looked like it popped off, but I still don't want to lose the dog bone. Yep, she's down. Up, I found the dog bone right here. Here, dog bone popped out. I don't know what happened here. Pivot balls didn't pop out. This don't look like it's broke. Maybe I can pop it back in and get right back into it. Pop that back in. Yeah, this thing is off the charts on 6S. All you need is 4S for this, for real. I don't even know if you can get a full throttle with this truck, but the handling is real nice. Handling is definitely good on here. Power definitely punching. You don't need no more power than this. Only thing this car needs is make it a little stronger. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know what that was called. I mean, it was a stunt because it's a stunt truck. See, I'm not a big jumper. I don't want to keep jumping, you know what I mean? Then I wind up breaking something. Whoa. I know she done now. Look at this. Wow. 4 pivot balls popped out at once. But that was a super bad crash right there. I could pop them back in, take it apart, pop it back in, but we're going to call it a day because I knew this was coming. All right. Next up is... Yeah, I can't blame the Jambo for what happened. What is going on? Yeah, I gotta change this servo out. Yeah, that steering is real bad. This is gonna mess up. It's really gonna kind of mess me up here. And the thing is, I got this only on 50%. Now I turned it to 75. Let's see how she doing this grass. Oh. ain't got here no cracking disc now. Really machine. I don't know, the power's punching more because I do got that Gen 8. Wow. I do got that Gen 8 in there though. That Gen 8 makes a difference. That Gen 8 makes a big difference. Whoa. Oh, I lost my motor. I knew that was going to happen though. Let's see if I found my motor. That was crazy. Oh, I knocked the dog bone out. How? Yo. I couldn't put it back in because I had no tools. Dog bone popped out once again. I meant to remove the spacers right here so it wouldn't do it. Because I removed it on that side. I should have removed it on that side. See that red spacer right there? Maybe if I'd have moved that and moved that little clip right there, wouldn't have popped out. Because it really don't have too much room. Just remember, remove this right here, and this red thing to give you, you know, a tighter fit to the CVD in the front there. The Jambo, look, 4 pillow balls came out, pivot balls came out, and I broke the okay, I do have a brake, and I lost it, so it don't matter, it's broke anyway. So I actually just got a break. I broke the CVD in the front, popped out the pivot balls, and what else? That's it. So this got damaged, but it's not the car's fault at all. And the chassis is bent. See that? Chassis is bent. Let me see. Can I get in on that one? Well, the chassis is bent. If you can't see that, chassis is slightly bent. Now the body won't come on right. So let's start the rating. The Notorious lost my engine, which I knew that was going to get lost in the first place. But let's just start like this. It'll get an all-around 10. Not even going to get into too much details. Y'all saw how I drove. Both of them drove fantastic. But this was a little more punchy for some reason. But gotta remember, I used that 6800 milliamp Gen 8 advanced battery. So that's one reason why. This was running two 6,000 milliamp. Jambo was running two 3S 6,000 milliamp batteries, 120C. You figure it would have been a little more punchier like that, but it wasn't. Now I'm running 120C, 6,000 milliamp. So as for power, they both perform great. As always, the durability. See this video, I redid this video. This is the second video. I might put out the first one I did. It's really the same results, almost the exact same results. Yeah, they almost the same results. The CVD in the front popped out on this one in my last video, and the pivot ball popped out on this my last video. But at least it was just one on the Jambo last time. It's all 4, but that was from a horrible crash. That's my fault. This damage is all my fault right here. Give this, since that was a horrible crash, but I had horrible crash with other cars and it withstood it. This is a stunt truck. It's supposed to be able to handle a little more punishment than that. But I don't expect no less from that bad flip. You know what I mean? Almost any car would have. Come on now, I'm not a good jumper, and I did was that a triple flip jump? Come on now. I knew I wasn't going to be able to control that, and I came down hard and wrong. So, you know, it's not really too much of the truck's fault. But, you know, the wing came off, pivot balls popped out, broke the CVD, bent the chassis. Yeah, this went home hurt today. This didn't give me enough time to do anything. It was very short, even shorter than the last one. Okay, the Jambo gets a 9. Just like my last video, it gets a 9, and that's giving it credit. I'm giving it a 9. Because that bad crash was my fault. The power was good. The handling was good. The nice and stable was good. Just all around good. Just durability, basically. The Notorious, having a problem with my steering, need a new servo, that's all. But when it is running right, I got dirt everywhere. When it's running good, this thing is a beast. I wanted to do some standing still backflip with both cars, but of course I didn't get a chance to. But this is gonna be a part 3. I'm gonna do a part 3. What I'm gonna try to do is try to find if I can get some upgrades for this, for these pivot balls. You know what I mean? That's what it needs. It really needs upgrading. But as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.